Sorry. Trying to do fancy camera work. I should probably pause in between. Let me see. Get the shadows here because the light's coming from the exact opposite direction. There's no light behind me, so I don't get the shadows. Anyway, I need to practice more. I'm sure I do. I had about half of the Taco Bell copycat nacho cheese sauce left over, so while I was looking up copycat recipes to veganize, I also found recipes for their cheesy Fiesta potatoes, which I guess have been discontinued. This is another item I've never had, so I don't know what it's supposed to be like, but I did find a recipe to veganize, and it's really delicious. The potatoes are good all by themselves. You season them with onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin, and then you fry them, and then you bake them. You could probably just air fry the whole thing. After I went through the whole process, I thought, oh, you know, probably could just air fry them. Anyway, yeah, you cut the potatoes into cubes and you cook them so that they're tender on the inside and crispy on the outside, and seasoned with the aromatics and a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you toss them with the nacho cheese sauce, and then it suggests that you top it with some sour cream and green onions. So that's what I have here. I've got some of my homemade sour cream, which is melting pretty well into the potatoes. So I did taste just the cheesy potatoes before I dished them up, but I'll go with the works here, and it's really, really nice. Probably be even better with the cream, sour cream. Yep. Wow. Oh, this is so good. And the green onions on top. It's already got onion powder, but you know, it's nice to layer oniony flavor. Have some fresh and not along with the dried. So I will have the recipes on my blog. I've already got the cheese sauce linked, but I'll do the potato recipe too. And I'll link to the previous video because I guess you boob is sending people notifications in a timely manner. I know that for myself. I don't even sign up for, I've never clicked the bell on any channel because I don't rely on it. I just bookmark my subscription list, but I still get notifications. I get stupid notifications for like, so-and-so uploaded blah 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 a week ago. Oh gee, thanks for letting me know. You know, I already saw it, so it doesn't matter, but it's stupid. And then they notify me in the little notification window under the bell. They notify me of maybe one quarter of the actual comments I get, and I will find notifications of comments in that box that I won't find by scrolling under the actual video, and then I will find by scrolling comments that don't show up in the notification box. It's just completely crazy. I don't know what they're doing there in San Bruno. San Bruno used to be an awesome city. Anyway, thanks for liking, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and thanks for subscribing, and I will see you later. I should have music playing while I do this. Most people that do this have music playing. Bye, guys.